Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 4E and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and now choose your wallpaper. So you have to click on the source from which you want to select it. It can be one from your own photos, something from stylized photos, dynamic or current curated series images. I would like to pick something from my gallery. Now you can customize it however you like. It can be, as you can see, added with some effects like sway, zoom, ripple, blur, and different brightness. But I will pick ripple, and then you can activate scroll with home screen if you want. I will do it. Tap on confirmation mark then, and that's it. Wallpaper set. So as you can see, it is covering your home screen and you can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.